Good morning. It is July 5th. It's Thursday. Beautiful morning. I just wanted to show the final product. It's been painted, as you can see, and I think it turned out really great. Automotive paint is really tricky to figure out, but we did it, and Brian did most of the spraying, and I think he did a really good job. So I'll just take you in here. Oh, and we attached the step. So let me just show you the step. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. Okay. So here's the cushions, the little dinette. Came out pretty good, and under those seats there is storage. I've got my pots and pans and a little bit of a pantry. The battery sits under that one. Icebox came out pretty cute. I went ahead and I got some baskets from the dollar store. This only holds ice. It's not a fridge. So it's gonna be sort of tricky to figure that out, but it does drain, so that's kind of nice. And all the drawers got organized. Here's the stove. I have to travel with, like the burner covers in here because we took the first trip and it scratched everything up leaving it on there, so that was something to learn. Here is the cushion that turns into sort of the master bed, I guess. It's not even quite a full bed, but it ended up being really comfortable on that first trip. There's one of the bunks. Here's the other bunk. And then here's the closet. Hi. Turned out pretty good. Whoa. Sorry about that. It's not quite organized yet, but it's getting there. So that's it. That's the renovation. Hope you guys like it.